Need to turn autocorrect on or off on your iPhone? While autocorrect can be really helpful, there are times when you might prefer to turn it off for more control over your typing. Whether you're looking to fix small mistakes or type exactly how you want, adjusting the autocorrect feature can make a difference. Let's dive into how you can do it. Method 1. Turn autocorrect on or off. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Tap Keyboard. Find the autocorrection option. Toggle on to enable autocorrect. Toggle off to disable autocorrect. Test autocorrect by typing in any app to see if the feature is working as expected. Method 2. Turn off autocorrection for specific words. If you want to stop autocorrect from changing certain words, open Settings and tap General. Scroll down. Tap Keyboard and ensure autocorrection is enabled. You can add custom words to the text replacement menu if autocorrect keeps changing words you want to use. To do this, go to Settings, tap General, tap on Keyboard, tap on Text Replacement, then add the word and its shortcut. These steps will help you quickly turn autocorrect on or off on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more iPhone tips and stay tuned for the next video.